Hey everyone, imagine this. You're driving through an intersection and out of nowhere, another vehicle strikes the side of your car. Side impact crashes are particularly dangerous because there is less space between you and the collision point. So, how do engineers ensure that the cars can still protect you in these collisions? This is where side crash analysis comes in. Engineers simulate real-world side collisions by using a moving barrier that strikes the car's side at high speeds. The objective? To evaluate how the car's structure, doors and airbags respond to impact, ensuring passenger safety. Take the 2020 test of Toyota Camry. Its strong B-pillars helped absorb the impact, distributing crash forces away from the cabin. Simultaneously, the side curtain airbags deployed in milliseconds, shielding passengers' head and chest. Unlike frontal crashes, where there is more room for crumple zones, side impacts leave little margin for error. Engineers reinforce vehicles with advanced materials like ultra-high strength steel to ensure the frame can withstand the impact while protecting the interior. Consider the 2019 side crash test of Volvo XC90. Dual-stage airbags deployed at the perfect moment, creating a buffer that significantly reduced the risk of severe head and chest injuries. These tests are critical. They help engineers refine safety systems, ensuring that even in side impact situations, you and your loved ones are protected. Thanks to these ongoing innovations, cars today offer much better safety in the event of a side collision. Like what you learned? Make sure to hit like and share button to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more insights on vehicle safety. Thanks for watching.